trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. See, ABC is equilateral triangle. Okay, in equilateral triangle, sides all sides are equal and all angles also equal. Okay, here sum of the angles A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. All angles are same. X plus x plus x. Here x is the angle of the one of the angle of the equilateral triangle. Okay, 3x equal to 180 degrees, x equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so angle A equal to 60 degrees, angle B equal to 60 degrees, angle C equal to 60 degrees. Okay, let's draw angular bisector. Okay, so here this point is D. Here BD equal to DC. Okay, and this angle is 30 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees. Okay, so and here let BD equal to A, distance between BD equal to A, DC also A. Okay, so BC equal to 2A. In equilateral triangle all sides are equal. Okay, BC equal to A, so AB equal to 2A units and AC equal to 2A. Okay, see here ABD. ABD is right angle triangle. Here ABD. ABC is equilateral triangle. ABD is right angle triangle. Okay, here angle D is 90 degrees. ABD is right angle triangle. AB is hypotenuse 2A units. BD is A units. Okay, here we don't know AD. So using Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to BD square plus AD square. Okay, AB square 2A whole square, BD square is A square plus AD square. So AD square equal to 2A whole square, 4A square minus A square, which is equal to 3A square. Okay, therefore AD equal to root of 3A square, which is equal to root 3 into A. Okay, here AD equal to root 3 into A. Okay, here angle B equal to 60 degrees, angle A is 30 degrees. Okay, sine 60 degrees. Here reference angle 60, angle sine 60 degrees, which is equal to side opposite to the angle 60 by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side by hypotenuse, which is equal to opposite side root 3 A by hypotenuse 2A. A get cancelled, which is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, next cos 60 degrees, side adjacent to the angle 60 by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is A, BD. A by hypotenuse 2a. Cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Next, tan 60. Tan 60 equal to sin 60 by cos 60, which is equal to root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 get cancel. Tan 60 equal to root 3, or side opposite to the angle 60 by side adjacent to the angle 60. Root 3a by a. Root 3. Tan 60 equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. Next, cot 60. Cot 60 equal to 1 by tan 60. It means 1 by root 3. Or side adjacent to the angle 60 by adjacent side by side opposite to the angle 60. Root 3 by opposite side. Adjacent side is a by opposite side root 3a. 1 by root 3. Okay. Next, secant. Secant 60. It means 1 by cos 60, or hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay. 1 by cos 60 is 1 by 2. So, it is equal to 2. Cosecant. Cosecant 60 equal to 1 by sin 60. 1 by sin 60 is root 3 by 2, which is equal to 2 by root 3. Or hypotenuse by side opposite to the angle 60. Okay. 2 by root 3. Next, trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees. Okay. Here we talking about 30 degrees. Trigonometric ratios of trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees. Okay. See, triangle ABD. ABD. We know angle B is 60 degrees. Angle C is ABD. Angle D is 90 degrees. Angle A is 30 degrees. Okay. Angle A 30 degrees, B 60 degrees, angle D 90 degrees. AB equal to 2A, BD equal to A. 2A, A, AD is root 3 by root 3 into A. Okay. Here we talking about 30 degrees. Okay. Here reference angle 30 degrees. We have already degrees. Trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees. Okay. Here trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees. Reference angle 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is A, hypotenuse 2A. 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to the angle 30 degrees by hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent side is adjacent side root 3 into A by 2A. Root 3 by 2. Okay. Next, tan 30 degrees. Sin 30 by cos 30. Okay. Sin 30 by cos 30. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled, which is equal to 1 by root 3. Next, cot 30 degrees. 1 by tan. 1 by tan. Tan 30. Which is equal to 1 by root 3. Equal to root 3. Okay. Next, secant 30 degrees, 1 by cos 30, 1 by cos 30 which is equal to 1 by root 3 by 2 equal to 2 by root 3. Next, cosecant 30 degrees, 1 by sin 30 degrees, okay, 1 by 2 equal to 2, okay.